WhatsApp has recently introduced features like message reaction and 2 GB file sharing for users. Now, according to a new report, the world's most popular messaging app is testing a new feature that will allow rich link previews to be shared via text status updates. Currently, if a web page link is shared on WhatsApp status, the preview shows nothing but words. However, that is about to change. The screenshot released by WhatsApp Beta clearly shows the difference between the current text status update and the feature that is undergoing testing. The rich thread preview feature has already been introduced in the chat threads, and the upcoming feature will definitely make the web page links viewable. This feature is being developed for Android, iOS and even computers. This feature is not currently released for beta testers and is expected to arrive in the future with an update.